And looking at when you need the word static versus when you don't, a big part of it comes from if we're calling to a method from a static method already. When that's the case, we need to go ahead and use the word static within naming our method as well. When we don't, we can go over and just skip that phase of the building. So I'm going to go over here real quick to create another class. I'm just going to create a method that does not use the word static, since our main method here will be over in another part of the program. So we'll call it public void hello, and we're just going to keep in mind when you're naming these are supposed to be lowercase. And when I'm naming it here, I'm just going to go ahead and make this one say hello. Just print out the word hello. That'll happen. Now over here, back in our main method, so that we see it run within our program, we need to create an instance of the example class, which we'll go over later. So we'll just set that up real quick, and then we'll just call it e.hello. So in order to build a bunch of methods that don't need the word static, we also then need to go to what we'll do later on, build an object from that class, or build an instance of that class like we do with the scanner, and then call to a starting method or a beginning method. So here, this will still print out the hello from the other method. I'm just showing you though what you kind of have to do this, and the other part of course would be to run the correct program. So here now it just simply ran hello. With this, I know I'm kind of jumping around here, but just know that if we're calling to a method from within the static method that we didn't create a new class for, that's when we need it. So if I go down here and I try to do, let's say, the exact same thing, but I'm calling to it directly from the main method within the same class, get rid of this, go hello, it's going to error out saying non-static method hello cannot be a reference from a static context, because static makes things kind of stick together. So we just add the word static, and now it works okay. And when we run this method, we're going to run this class, I should say, we'll get the exact same result. In short, that's just kind of the nuance you have to remember. Both are correct. You're going to see both on the test, but you just kind of need to memorize the difference a little bit.